I'm literally freaking out.
We're here at Stagecoach, would not even consider worrying about it.
And I will be making out with Tristan later, personally. Welcome to Stagecoach.
And we're doing fine, we're living, we're laughing, we're loving.
Howdy, y'all. I'm Daisy Mae. Welcome to my house.
Daisy Mae.
I'm Daisy Mae. Welcome. Come on in. This is my crib. We are here to go to Stagecoach, which, in case you don't know what that is, it's a country concert festival. I don't know what to say.
That was good. That was really good. Howdy, y'all. You're about to be so annoyed with our country accents, and I know mine's really bad. Let's just say that this is the only disclaimer I'm gonna do the whole time of how bad my country accent is. Now, there are different kinds. God, that was so bad. What's up, guys? Remy and I just got to the house, the pretty basic house that we are staying at for Stagecoach. Hashtag PB Howdy House. We're trying to figure out like the exact hashtag we want everyone to use. When I tell you this house is actually stunning and makes me want to move to Palm Springs. We're in India. We're not in Palm Springs, but it makes me want to have a house in the desert. I have to give you the quickest little tour ever, especially it's just Remy and I here, so no one's here yet. We have a lot of friends coming and I'm so excited. I look disgusting because I got a spray tan earlier. I should shower soon, to be honest, but I feel like I look like I smell like spray tan, and if you know what that's like, you just get it. But here's the house. We have a dining room, bedroom number 1, the living room with a guitar. You know I'm about to play that later. Another sitting area, outdoor dining, barbecue, pool table, bedroom number 2, another sitting area, bedroom number 3. Fuck, I just tripped. Careful, whoever stays here. It goes down. Bedroom number 4, pool room. TK's gonna scream. TV, foosball. And then when you run over to the other side of the house.
Is this an ice maker? I think it's a big ice maker.
Oh, nice.
It is! Whoa!
That's actually so nice. The kitchen.
Look at, wait. Look at this.
Oh, color coded.
I tried my best.
Oh, sexy.
Ooh.
Sexy. Wow.
We love you, Red Bull.
My personal favorite part, the backyard. So fucking nice. Also, lovely hammock. And my favorite part about the backyard is the fact that almost all of the bedrooms have a door that gives you access to come to the backyard, which I think is really cool and really dope. I'm gonna be honest, I haven't seen this much green in a very long time, probably since I was in Indiana. And then you come over here. Oh, a bathroom. Then bedroom number, I have no idea, I lost count. Another bedroom with queen bunk beds and has a Jack and Jill bathroom with this bedroom. And I know you're wondering, this is Remy and I's room. Me and Remy and my room, and let's redo that. And I know you're wondering, this is mine and Remy's room. This is our room. Love the wallpaper, love the bed, like obsessed with it all. Here's the bathroom. Also A+ lighting. I love how it's like daylight lighting. I already started unpacking because this is the closet. Look at all my boots and everything. I literally was like, you know, this is beautiful. This is amazing. I'm literally freaking out. Like, this is such a cool house. I love it. I think that's pretty much the entire house. It's stunning. I'm in love. And I kind of love how it's just you and I here right now, Rem. Good morning, home. Oh, get that. Oh.
As many as you want.
Oh, that looks actually really good. We have breakfast. It looks amazing. I'm starving. Oh, yes. Howdy, y'all. No, I'm gonna be so annoying. So many people are gonna be like, Alicia, just shut the fuck up. You're obviously a poser. You don't belong there. Do you even like country music? Those are gonna be the comments, but it's okay.
Well, answer them.
No.
Oh, you don't?
No. I'm not gonna give the satisfaction. You'll never know.
Oh,
you don't know how. You don't know my upbringing. You don't know our side. You don't know the Riverside mentality. You don't know what I listen to driving to school every single day. Pop Christian music. Anyways, it's the next day. Rem and I are currently getting ready. This morning was amazing. We went and picked up our tickets. I'm super excited for that. It was so easy. There was like not really much of a line. Came back, made breakfast, as you guys saw. I laid outside on the hammock for quite a while. I definitely fell asleep, which honestly, that just meant today's gonna be a good day. We had a parallel drop. We came out with some new like long sleeve, the square necks, the buttery fabric. We restocked the mocha and the twilight, and then we also came out with the long sleeve version. Not sure what's left by the time that you're seeing this vlog, but I'm gonna put the link in the description box. As always, go shopping! Rem placed her order at 11:11 and I almost cried because I was like, bitch, one, why are you buying? I'll give it to you. Two, the fact that it was on 11:11 was another sign that today's gonna be the best day ever, so we're excited for that. Howdy, y'all. I'm a little tipsy, but we gonna do an outfit of the day. Ash Nicole's being so nice, she gonna get me an outfit of the day.
She gonna get you.
She gonna get. She gonna get.
Get it.
This was a last minute outfit I threw together this morning. The hat is TK's that she got from Amazon. Super cute, right? Super cute. The top that I'm wearing is definitely a bathing suit. It's from 437. Love it. Also, I'm definitely starting my period any second. So
no one needs to
my
know.
period boobs are in full force. They're a whole size cup bigger. My skirt is Abercrombie, which I really, really like. I'll just, let me. Okay. Abercrombie, which I really like. The belt is from Remy Cruz. Sue's Cruz, her mom, wore this. Not sure when or where, but I'm sure it's seen some things. We love you, Suze. And then my boots are Dolce Vita. This is day one, Stagecoach. Stagecoach, baby. I feel so annoying because I feel like my accent is so bad and it's gonna be so annoying to watch later.
Then stop trying.
I'm not trying. No, Ash, that's the thing. I'm not trying. It's just coming out. And sometimes I'm like, if I wasn't born in Southern California, I wonder where I'd be born. That's deep. If you weren't born where you were born, where do you think you would be born? My feet already hurt.
A photo. We can do after.
Wait,
No,
clean
we
your
can-
lens, Ash.
We
Clean.
can do the photo after the.
Oh.
Wait, I don't know where the skirt.
This is from Revolve.
The skirt?
Huh.
Okay.
Isn't it Doll's Kill? I forget.
I thought you.
Oh, it's definitely Club X.
Okay. Outfit of the day. Black hat is from Urban Outfitters.
Cute.
T-shirt is from Urban Outfitters.
Cute.
Backpack is from Free People.
It
Years ago,
is open.
From Mia.
I'ma just let you
Mia
know.
gave it to me years ago.
Yes, for your birthday.
I still wear it.
Mia Sayoko, if you're watching this, we love you.
The skirt is from
Club X.
Club X, and the shoes are from Amazon.
Look at this. Watch this. Click. Click. Hi. Yeah, baby. Yeah.
And welcome back to another vlog. We're here at Stagecoach. Would not even consider worrying about it. 4:32 p.m.
And I'm a beauty girl.
And we are, just continuously rage coaching.
Rage coaching.
I'm already sunburned.
Make a little OOTD.
Oh my god, is there like a tan line right there?
Oh my god.
God, sorry guys.
OOTD.
OTD. Blouse is from H&M.
We love H&M.
Hat is from Givenchy.
Oh, we love Givenchy.
Shorts are Gucci.
I thought you made those ones.
Shit. Shorts are DIY. Shoes are Prada. Collab with Converse. Does that mean it's recording?
Yeah.
Hey y'all, I've hacked the mainframe. Hang on, I'm gonna go to the west wing of the home. So I have hacked the mainframe.
gonna say too.
And
These raggedy ass bitches.
hang on, let's do a confessional over here. So we have hacked the mainframe via Miss Alicia's vlog. We're doing a little confessional.
We're doing a
Have a seat,
confessional.
have a seat, babe. Okay. Say what you need to say.
Say what you need to say.
And let the
Slay out.
Slay.
I really want to talk about the socio-geopolitical economic status.
Goes without saying.
And honestly, I don't want to be the one to say it. But things have got to change.
Yes. So one of the things about me that you might not know, I was actually supposed to be in the video.
Really?
Yes, but I hate saying it on Twitter because everyone's like, "You're lying." I
You
hate
are lying,
you.
you're lying, and I do hate you.
But I was supposed to be in the video.
Wait, really? Where were you?
I was filming and I was in Miami and they were filming. I know.
Were you living?
So personally, I was living and slaying.
Okay.
And that kind of goes without saying.
And it does. You better blur my fucking cellulite, bitch.
Blur my cooter.
Blur my gooch. And honestly, that concludes everything I wanted to say. I don't know about you.
No, yeah, I mean, I feel
And
good
I'm
about
gonna
it.
take this off, and I do love you. Follow me on Brittany Broski, and that's Tristan Watson.
And I'm Tristan_Watson. Kind of love y'all. This is our little home. Hang on, let me get a cooter. So you're gonna want to censor that out, Alicia. All right, well, we love y'all. We're about to head to the festival. And peace and blessings.
Today we are toasting to Tristan Watson and his TikTok that went viral, babe. And I will be making out with Tristan later, personally.
And goes without saying.
All I'm gonna say is in my last vlog, everyone was like, yes, we love the chaos, okay?
I would also like to clarify that we have not taken any narcotics this entire month. People thought we were on drugs last weekend and we were not. I just would like to say that. We were high on life.
You're high on life.
Okay, wait, should we go?
Hands on my knees.
Phone, wallet, ID.
Yep.
Phone, wallet,
ID.
Where the fuck is your dignity?
Our Uber is here.
Save a horse,
Ride a cowboy. Yeah. Wait, go. Full out.
Ready?
1, 5, 6, 7, 8.
I'm gonna throw my neck
No
out.
need for copyright music.
Do it again.
We're unwell.
Grab the liquid IV booth.
Oh my god, wait.
I think we're double fisting.
Is this working? Shut the hell up.
I'm like fangirling. No, I'm fangirling. It's AlishaMarieVlogs, bitch. 14-year-old ass. No. I was like, y'all are so talented. Like, we need to like have them on the podcast. It'd be so fucking fun. Yes.
Podcast coming soon. Goodbye.
Yeah, baby. I just said I would take a bullet for her.
No. Oh, I would literally die. Lay my life down for Alicia.
Not if I can do it first.
I'm lucky.
Take over again.
Hey y'all, it's the vlog. We're gonna go outside today. I'm gonna do an OOTD for y'all because I know everyone's been asking, like annoying me about it. Blouse is Prada. This is their new summer collection. Pretty much unreleased everywhere. Shoes are Converse. Jeans are custom Givenchy. And then hat is gonna move forward and being Amazon because I'm, humble. All right, we'll check back in a little later. Literally love you guys.
Welcome to Stagecoach.
Well, y'all, we're going to Stagecoach Day 2.
Stagecoach.
We're gonna go boondocking. We're gonna go eat some hay. We're gonna go.
Hell yeah. Hell
That's what we're gonna do is we're gonna do some wild world good time and we're gonna have great kids. Hi! Love you, Alicia. Kisses.
No, it's not. At least that was not aggressive at all. You know what I mean?
Which Carrie song are you most excited for?
Before he cheats.
Okay.
And I dug my key.
Is that your favorite Carrie song?
That's my karaoke song.
What was your favorite Carrie song of all time?
Probably that one.
Okay, Gorge. Mine is called Wasted because I am indeed
Wasted! Happy birthday, baby.
Happy birthday, Pranav.
Happy birthday, Pranav.
Shout out in the comments. Happy birthday, Pranav.
Happy birthday, Pranav.
Last shot of 28. Bye. 1, 2, 3. Hey!
I'm annoying. I'm being annoying.
Hey y'all.
Hey, y'all. How are you doing?
Hey, how y'all doing? I'm heading to Stagecoach. This is my 3rd week here in a row. And I'm exhausted if I'm being so honest.
We're back. Back.